Hey gang, Poppy here, and this is Nana, and we're in the computer room. We got our COVID-19 out of Moderna 3 weeks ago today. It's
27th, which is
an
Tuesday.
hour and 32 minutes late from exactly 3 weeks. On the 27th, we go and get our second inoculation.
And we recommend you all go out and do the same.
How do you feel, babe?
I feel great. Just don't go for Johnson & Johnson.
Tell me, I tell you, she does feel great. She's had plenty of energy to put me to work. And I've had plenty of energy to
actually do it.
get this close to another heart attack 3 times this week on that bloody abortion that Christy gave her.
Well, now you're done with it. Smile.
Yes.
You don't have to touch it no more.
Amen.
The next time you touch it, you'll be hauling it out to the front of the fence.
Oh, don't tease me! Don't tease me like that!
That means it's gone to hell. I don't want
it went to hell before it left the factory in China. Anyway, get vaccinated. Wear a mask. Keep strangers away from you. It's only your life. If you don't care, fine. Don't endanger mine. Go away and die. As for you who want to live, vaccination, mask, keep strangers away. Good night from California.